5-day food truck video challenge. And today I have a special guest with me. His name is Kevin, but I'll let him give us all the details. I'm really excited to be on video with Kevin today. As promised, this week I will not say the word insurance other than now. I promise my viewers this week I will not talk about insurance. I'll be light and fluffy. And so, anyway, let me introduce you to my friend Kevin. Kevin, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Hey, Kelly, thanks for having me. Let me just go ahead and start with that. Really appreciate that.
So glad to have you.
As you already said, my name is Kevin Womble. I'm the CEO of, I'm the CEO and CEO and owner of WiFinancial, and it's a tax and bookkeeping firm. But I classify it as just being a financial firm where we help entrepreneurs. We help all types of entrepreneurs, but we specifically help we shine the brightest with food entrepreneurs. But we also do taxes, bookkeeping, as well as we also do credit repair as well. Because credit.
I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Because credit, I decided to incorporate that into the business as well, because a lot of people don't take that seriously, especially for, entrepreneurs starting businesses they think credit is obsolete. I don't want to have to pay nobody, so I'd rather start everything up with cash and stuff, which is always a good way of doing it. But, credit is something that credit has power. Cash is king, but credit is power. So we definitely need as much power as we can going into being entrepreneurs and everything.
Yeah. Funny story relating to credit. My husband is in his 60s, and we have operated most of our marriage without credit. And a few years ago, I started, getting some credit for myself. And my husband just recently, literally like within the last month, got his first credit card.
Oh, wow.
And he argued with the bank. He was like, they were trying to give him a bigger one. And he's like, no, I need it smaller. So they finally gave him the smallest one. And every purchase he makes is like, we have to have a party. Like, it's like a big thing. Woo! You spent $25 on that card. And because of his age, the whole credit thing sort of has changed from the way it was when he was much younger. He'd had a bad experience with it. So now, it's completely different. And so it's just kind of interesting that kind of brought that out. Reminded me of what we're currently dealing with credit in my house. Well, where are you located? Where are you from?
I'm actually in Richmond. I originated in New York. Family moved down to Virginia. So I've been in Virginia ever since then.
Okay. So since you're in Virginia, do you help food trucks like everywhere? Is your license like state specific?
No. I actually work with anybody all over the United States. Actually, I can't work with anybody around the world, especially when it comes to like accounting and bookkeeping. But I do like to just keep entrepreneurs in the United States, just because I'm more familiar with the tax structures. And we can definitely, every country's laws are a little bit different. So I definitely want to stick with laws that I'm 100% familiar with and I have to abide by myself.
That's like the big I word I'm trying not to say this week. I'm very familiar with certain, regulations regarding locale. So I get it. Well, yes. Okay. So I don't know which one of us found each other first. I'm not sure if I stumbled across you first or you stumbled across me first. I'm not really sure.
I could probably say I stumbled across you first because I was, looking around and I think Kelly, and I was like, okay, Kelly's live. She goes live with different food trucks. And I see the videos when you would like sit down with the owners in front of the food trucks and you eat some of the food. And I know the one that I recently seen that I loved was your